This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Barbara White. Nature's Walk is located on Amelia Island and less than a mile to the beach. This one-level floor plan is light and bright and features a screened-in porch overlooking a private backyard. There's a one-car garage with a long driveway. The roof was installed in 2017 and the hot water heater was installed in 2018. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara White at 904-261-9311.